AI is creating millionaires, and most people don't even realize it yet. Businesses are automating work, investors are leveraging AI for smarter decisions, and freelancers are using AI tools to scale their income. But here's the reality. While most people waste time worrying that AI will take jobs, the smart ones are learning how to use AI to make serious money. Today, we're breaking down 5 proven ways to earn $10,000 a month with AI. These aren't just theories. People are already using these methods to generate serious income. Welcome back to Money Road, where we break down financial strategies, passive income ideas, and smart ways to build wealth. Hit like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Let's get started. Number 1. AI-powered freelancing. Freelancing has always been a profitable way to make money, but AI is making it faster, easier, and more scalable. Instead of spending hours on tasks, freelancers are using AI to automate repetitive work, allowing them to complete more projects in less time and dramatically increase their earnings. AI copywriting tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic let freelancers create blog posts, add copy, and product descriptions in minutes. Businesses need fresh content for marketing, branding, and social media, and they're willing to pay for it. AI is also transforming video content creation. AI video tools can generate scripts, edit footage, and even create realistic avatars that speak naturally. Some freelancers are using AI to generate video content for brands, social media influencers, and businesses, cutting production time in half while increasing output. Graphic designers are also using AI to speed up their work. Platforms like Canva's AI tools generate logos, social media graphics, and website layouts instantly. AI-based design assistants can suggest templates, fonts, and color schemes, allowing designers to complete more projects, take on more clients, and increase their income. Even the voiceover industry is being transformed. AI tools like 11 Labs and Murph AI generate studio-quality narration in seconds. Companies need professional voiceovers for ads, training videos, podcasts, and audiobooks. Instead of hiring expensive voice actors, they're paying AI-powered freelancers to deliver high-quality results at scale. Freelancers who integrate AI into their workflow are outpacing those who don't. They charge higher rates, attract more clients, and scale their business faster. One freelancer using AI for content creation and voiceovers reported making over $12,000 a month by automating his workflow. AI doesn't replace freelancers, it enhances their earning potential. But success in AI freelancing isn't automatic. Businesses still expect high-quality results. AI tools help, but they don't replace human creativity and strategy. Freelancers who combine AI with expertise will have the biggest financial advantage. Number 2. AI automation services for businesses. Businesses are spending billions on AI automation because it saves them time and money. AI-powered tools handle customer service, marketing, and business management, allowing companies to operate more efficiently. For example, companies are paying thousands of dollars for AI chatbots that provide 24/7 customer support. Some entrepreneurs are making steady income by setting up chatbot systems and charging a monthly maintenance fee. E-commerce store owners are also using AI to track inventory, optimize pricing, and improve product recommendations. Many don't have the time to set up AI systems themselves, so they hire experts to do it for them. AI is also being used to automate business analytics. AI tools can track customer behavior, predict buying trends, and optimize ad spending. Companies that use AI-driven marketing automation are seeing higher returns on investment, and they're willing to pay experts who can help them implement these tools. One AI automation specialist reported making over $15,000 a month just by setting up chatbot systems for local businesses. Once set up, these systems run on autopilot, creating a scalable, high-income business. AI automation isn't just about chatbots. Businesses also need help with email marketing automation, social media management, and customer data analysis. Experts who can implement AI solutions are in high demand. Number 3. AI investing and financial automation. AI is revolutionizing investing by making faster, data-driven decisions. Stock traders use AI-powered bots to analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. Platforms like Trade Ideas, Tickeron, and algorithmic trading bots detect market patterns and predict stock movements with greater accuracy than human traders. Real estate investors use AI tools like Fundrise and Roofstock to analyze historical data and identify profitable properties. AI can scan thousands of listings in seconds, compare pricing trends, and highlight investment opportunities that would take a human hours or even days to find. Some investors are even using AI to analyze cryptocurrency trends, identifying patterns that signal buying and selling opportunities. By automating trades, they reduce the risk of emotional decision-making and improve profitability. One investor reported making over $10,000 a month in profits by using AI trading bots to automate trades and eliminate emotional decision-making. The biggest advantage of AI investing is that it removes human error and relies purely on data. But even the best AI trading bots don't guarantee profits. Successful AI investors combine AI insights with smart financial planning and risk management. Number 4. Selling AI-generated products and services. One of the fastest-growing AI income streams is selling AI-generated digital products and services. Entrepreneurs are using AI to create and sell ebooks, stock images, AI-generated artwork, AI voiceovers, audiobooks, and branding materials like logos and marketing graphics. Some are making thousands per month selling AI-generated designs on platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, and print-on-demand sites. AI-generated stock footage is another growing market. Businesses and content creators need high-quality B-roll and visuals, and some entrepreneurs are using AI to generate unique footage to sell on stock video platforms. Since digital products can be sold repeatedly, this method creates a scalable passive income stream. Number 5. AI consulting and business strategy. As AI continues to grow, businesses need experts who can help them integrate AI into their operations. But here's the key. AI consultants don't need to be programmers. They just need to understand how AI applies to different industries and show businesses how to implement it. Companies in finance, real estate, healthcare, and marketing are actively looking for AI consultants to help them optimize processes and reduce costs. AI is also being used in hiring and recruitment. Companies are investing in AI-powered systems to analyze resumes, filter candidates, and even conduct initial interviews using AI-generated voice and text responses. Businesses want to streamline the hiring process, and consultants who understand how to implement AI in HR management can charge high fees for their expertise. Since AI is still new for most industries, businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for expert guidance. One AI consultant reported making over $20,000 a month just by advising businesses on automation strategies. Final thoughts. Why AI is the future of making money. AI isn't just a trend, it's fundamentally changing how people work, invest, and build businesses. Those who learn how to use AI effectively will be the ones making the most money. If you follow these 5 AI money-making strategies, you can build passive income, high-paying freelancing work, and scalable businesses without needing advanced coding skills. Which of these AI income ideas interests you the most? Drop a comment below. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more financial strategies, passive income ideas, and smart ways to make money online.